Introducing the TS923.01 INOX integral two-way rough-in valve. The valve offers two outlets with individual volume controls. This slim line features 3/4-inch NPT connections, which are standard threaded connections used in plumbing for a secure and leak-free fit. Check the min and max lines on the mudguard. These lines will guide you in determining the correct installation depth to ensure the trim fits perfectly once installed. Before beginning with installation, measure the distance between the mounting wall and the min and max marks to ensure that the finished wall does not extend beyond the max line for a precise trim fit. Begin by creating a solid backing for the valve to provide extra stability. Secure the valve to the backing using the provided screws, ensuring it's firmly fastened for long-lasting support and proper alignment. Clean and connect the water supply lines. Connect the hot water supply line to left inlet and cold water supply line to right inlet. The integral stops can be used to turn off the system in case maintenance or repairing is required. Next, clean and connect the two outlet pipes from the individual volume controls. Outlet 1 can be used for the main shower head, while outlet 2 can be used for additional fixtures like a handheld shower or bathtub spout. These outlets can be controlled independently, allowing for greater flexibility in use. Perform a pressure test to ensure the system is working correctly and that there are no leaks. Verify that the water pressure meets the required specifications. Prepare for drywall and finished wall installation. Ensure that the hole in the wall is large enough to access the diverter, valve, and integral stops, but small enough to allow the trim plate to fit perfectly without any extra voids. This can be achieved by closely aligning the hole with the edges of the mudguards, ensuring a clean and precise fit for the trim later. Keep the mudguard in place until you're ready to install the trim. This will help protect the valve and maintain proper alignment throughout the process. Maintaining the finished wall within the min and max limits ensures a perfect trim installation. If the finished wall exceeds the max line, an extension kit will be required to accommodate the additional depth. Please note, the extension kit is sold separately. Once you've completed the previous steps, carefully remove the mudguard to prepare for trim installation. Finally, install the trims. Align and adjust the trim plate. Thread the sleeves for the volume controls, then slide the valve sleeve into position. Secure the spline adapters with the provided screws to ensure a tight fit. Adjust the main trim by loosening the screw with an Allen key and retightening the screw to lock the trim securely in place for a polished finish. The anti-scald feature comes preset for horizontal installation. Ensure the trim lever aligns with the red mark on the anti-scald. For vertical installations, rotate the anti-scald 90 degrees using a screwdriver to adjust for proper functionality, and install the trim accordingly. Once the trim is installed, turn on the water supply and test the system. Check for leaks, verify proper flow from both outlets, and ensure the temperature controls function as expected.